David Merrill is well known and respected in the field of instructional design. His first principles of instruction, as well as his pebble in the pond model, made him one of the most influential scholars in the field. The first principles of instruction are principles which are key to the learning process. The problem principle refers to the promotion of learning through the acquisition of concepts and principles in the context of real-world tasks. The activation principle refers to the promotion of learning through relevant prior knowledge and skills. The demonstration principle refers to the promotion of learning through the demonstration of the skills to be learned. The application principle refers to the promotion of learning through the application of the new skills and knowledge. And finally, the integration principle refers to the promotion of learning through the integration of the new skills and knowledge into everyday life. A pebble in the pond model, which focuses on solving real-world problems, is an instructional design model that has been very effective. Just like the first principles of instruction, it is composed of 5 key stages which lead to solving a progression of problems. In the problem stage, an initial problem is identified, which leads to the identification of other problems with varying degrees of difficulty. In the analysis stage, necessary skills and knowledge to solve these problems are identified. In the strategy stage, all design strategy necessary to enable the learner to acquire the new knowledge and skills is identified. In the design stage, the instructional product enters the design phase. And finally, in the production stage, the instructional product enters the production phase before testing it on learners.